Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this Oneida 24-inch LED TV with the fault. Sound okay, no picture problem. This TV comes with edge type backlight. Also here the fault is backlight related. See, this is the backlight here. Original backlight is burned. Since this model TV is discontinued from the market, the original backlights are not available, so here we are planning to install the universal edge backlight and backlight driver board for this edge type LED TV. See, this is edge backlight. So let's fix this backlight by replacing the faulty backlight. Finally, now we fixed the universal LED backlight driver board. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, finally now the picture comes and the TV started working back to normal. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.